What's going on, everyone? My name is Carlos, and today we're gonna get new tires, which is exciting. So it's exciting to have something new and get into severe debt. But these are the electric drive 2s, and we'll talk a little bit more about them when we have a chance. I'm a little late to the appointment, so I want to go ahead and do that. But we take a look, I don't know if you can see, it is at the 2 mark, and according to Goodyear tires, it says replace by 2. These tires have been really well to me. They've been really good, and like I've said in multiple videos, I would highly recommend these tires if you can afford them. The biggest problem is that they are very, very expensive. So we're going to go ahead and replace them. We are going to replace them with another pair of Goodyears, but a cheaper brand, cheaper version. We'll get into that in a moment. So let's go ahead and drive over to Sam's Club. All right, so we have arrived to my local Sam's Club. Aw, cute dog.
Thank you.
All right, about 55 minutes later, really 50 minutes, they just got done putting it. No way. They put the wrong tires on. No way. Sorry. No way. I think they put the wrong tires on. Hold the phone. Let me get my phone out to see what I ordered, because I swear I did not order Michelin's. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it right here. Goodyear Assurance MaxLife 2, extra large. Yeah, they put the wrong tires on. No freaking way they did that. These are these are good too. These are the Michelin CrossClimate 2s. Actually, my friend Daniel just got these too from Sam's Club. They put the wrong tires on. I don't know what to do. Is it all on the other side? Yeah, Michelin CrossClimate 2s. Michelin CrossClimate 2s. What the heck? And this is my car, right? Yeah, this is my car. All right, they literally put on the wrong tires. They put on the wrong tires. What am I supposed to do? Oh God. All right, so I have spent 1 week with these Michelin CrossClimate 2s, and as you can see, little rocks get inside of it, which kind of is a little annoying, but it's all right. It's definitely not an off-wheel tire, that's for sure. My quick review, 1 week having these, they are, I don't know how to explain it, very, very sticky. Like literally when you stop, it just stops. I drove this in really bad weather, like when it was raining really, really hard, and these are super reliable. They literally just stop. You press the brake, it literally just stops. But yeah, I'm gonna miss these. I'm gonna go ahead and let them know that they did install the wrong tires, because that is the right thing to do. But if you're ever curious about the Michelin, they are that 3-peak star right there. But I mean, I rarely get snow here in North Carolina and Raleigh. And yeah, these are just really, really great tires. I will say the biggest worry for me is the tread life. It's already kind of thin. I mean, that's just how they're made, just kind of like very spaced out. I know Goodyear's have very similar tires. They're called the Weather Ready 2, and that's actually my first choice. I was going to go with the Weather Readies, but the MaxLife is a tiny bit more inexpensive. It's cheaper, and it's supposed to last longer, so that's why I went with the MaxLife. Plus, you guys chose, I left a voting poll, you guys chose MaxLife, so that is what I'm going to go with. And yeah, I just wanted to share my experience with Michelin. Very great tires. I literally have no complaints. They stop when they need to stop, but I doubt this tread will last long with just how much I drive in this vehicle. So yeah, let's go ahead. We're at Sam's Club. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to someone and see what they say. All right, so I went and I talked to an employee, and I was like, hey, I was here a week ago and I realized you guys put on the wrong tires. What do we do? And his response was actually a little surprising. He said that this happens so often because I guess how their workflow is somebody there. I guess it's somebody's job to label which tires go on which car, or pull the tires, right? And then it's somebody else's job just to install them, and that's it. Like, don't even question it, just install the tires and you're good to go. So he's telling me that this is a very, very common issue at this store, and that I have to come back tomorrow because the manager's not there today. They don't have a manager on duty right now, so I have to come back tomorrow, and then he's going to install the correct tires. So that's the solution. I'm not mad about it. It is a little frustrating. I'm going to have to come here again. Alright, this video has so many twists and turns, it's kind of crazy. So I had to go back to Sam's Club like 2 or 3 times because the manager wasn't there, and the times that he was there, I couldn't go, so it's just like back and forth, back and forth. Finally, I get there, the manager's there, and basically the manager offers me the options. Do you want to keep the tires? They won't charge me extra. They'll move the warranty over and everything like that. So I can either keep the Michelin's CrossClimate 2s, or they can go ahead and install the Goodyear's MaxLife 2. And I kind of thought it over, and really with the Goodyear's, the only reason I wanted that tire is because it's supposed to last 80,000 miles or more. So I was like, oh, that's really good. But it's not specialized in anything, right? It's not like the best for dry roads or the best for wet roads or anything like that. However, the Michelins are literally made for the dry roads, for the wet roads, and all that. And if you live here in Raleigh, North Carolina, you know we can get some pretty bad rainstorms and all that jazz. So I was like, you know what? You know, I actually really like the Michelins. I was like, I'm already used to it. If I'm able to keep them without paying more and having the warranty still on there, then yeah, I'll keep them. He's like, yeah, that's fine. So that's the big conclusion. Literally the day after that, I was doing some Amazon Flex, and my AC went out, completely went out. So I had to bring it over to the dealership, and of course, as soon as I get to the dealership, it works fine. And then they spend like 4 hours with it, and they're like, we can't figure out what's happening with it. And I'm just like, oh, okay. So he was like, we recharged it, we reset the AC system and all that, so you should be good. I was like, okay. I left. The very next day, the AC goes out again, and I brought it. I made sure, I maxed out the AC, and I made sure that it wasn't working. So I brought it to the dealership, and they kept it for about 5 or 6 hours, or a little bit more. And then finally I get a call, like right before they close, and they're like, okay, I think we figured out the issue. We're gonna have to order a part. It's gonna take some time. Do you want a loaner car? And I was like, yeah, give me a loaner car. So now I am in this ICE Kona, which is pretty nice. And I think this is the CNCC software. So it's like the brand new software that I don't have in my car. Pretty nice. It does kind of suck that it's gasoline, but it is what it is. But yeah, it is pretty nice. I'm trying not to make it dirty because they charge like $250 if you make it dirty. But this is how it came. But yeah, so I'm probably not going to drive this much. But yeah, that's the conclusion of this long, like, up and down story tale of trying to get new tires. I went from ordering Goodyear MaxLife 2s to getting the wrong tires to accepting the wrong tires, and now I don't even have a car to keep going with those tires. So it's a long mess. At the end of the day, though, like, final verdict, I really do like the CrossClimate 2s. They're very sticky. Like, literally as soon as you stop, it stops. It really is like just a powerful tire. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like, it stops. Insane. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment on what kind of tires you have or which ones you're thinking about getting. All right, with all that said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.